In this video, you'll learn how to run the advanced memory test using Lenovo XClarity Essentials OneCLI on ThinkSystem v4 servers. Open a command prompt with administrator privileges. Navigate to the folder where you extracted OneCLI. To check that the post-watchdog timer is set to disabled, run the OneCLI config show command with the setting name to display the current configuration. Use the B parameter to specify the target server's BMC access details as shown on the screen. If it is enabled, run the OneCLI config set command to disable it. To enable the advanced memory test, run the OneCLI config set command and set the bmc.uefi memory test value to repair. This will run the test and repair any failing memory rows. Optionally set the AMT test policy to always if you want the test to run on every reboot. If no policy is set, the default is a single execution. Lenovo recommends running AMT at least once every 6 months. Power on the server or perform a manual restart. During post, UEFI reads the pending XCC command and runs the AMT automatically. When the test completes, UEFI saves the results in the XCC service data as a proprietary ZST file, viewable only with Lenovo supports specialized tools. On ThinkSystem v4 servers, the test results are additionally saved as a mini log within a compressed zip file, accessible using standard zip tools.